In this video, I will share with you step by step how to log in BAWAG Austria banking online. Go to Google, search for BAWAG Bank Austria. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. This is for login page. Click login option. You will redirect it to this page. Click on login as I say. From here, click online for login. Choose login as I say. You will redirect it to login page. This option you have with app, you have with distributors. If you want to use distributor, write your distributor number and PIN. Write your distributor number and PIN. If you want to use the app, you can log in with your app, write your email address in this section, and then click next. So this is the option to log in. You can also use app, download BAWAG app in App Store or Play Store. After download this app, you can successfully log in with your all details, such your PIN or email address or user number. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.